A bird and a cat. Mila, you would like to get your hands on that little bird in there, huh? You would like that. Ah, he's almost grown up, but not quite. He'll be alright. He's watching Mila too. He's watching the cat. Okay, Mila, you can't get to it. What would you do if you got to him, huh? You wouldn't kill him. It's not in your nature to kill. Although you do have hunting instinct, I noticed that. But you're not a killer. And this little birdie is watching intently. I've had him 2 worms already and give him a little bit of water to drink. So he should be alright. Okay, birdie. Tomorrow we'll let you go.